you have gone wrong, and comparison across the candidates will be done. Okay, so at the end you will be given a review notes. So these are the condensed notes for review. This is like your what we call as cheat sheet. So it will help you in going through the material in a very short period of time. Okay, we are offering for the FRM examinations, we are offering a fee refund guarantee. We will refund your fee if you do not pass after taking the coaching from us. Okay, but for that you need to at least attend 85% of the class, and whatever the homework is being given and whatever the test is being given, you have to submit them on time, because I cannot guarantee you until you do something. So you do only this: you attend all the class and you write all the test, all the homework on time. I am saying that you will pass. This is what we are giving, as nobody else can even think of this kind of guarantee. Okay, now let's see what it takes to pass this particular examination. Okay, now I will say that you require around 10 to 12 hours per week. Okay, that is required. Around GARP recommends around 250 hours. What I would say is 300 hours or 350 hours of preparation is good enough for this particular examination. You identify the topic areas, you plan yourself, you identify which are the topic areas which are your strength and which are your topic areas where you are weak at. Okay, now you master the topic that carry higher weight, especially the foundation valuation of valuation and risk model and markets and products. Okay, these are important topics. You excel in those topics, so they have 60% weightage is there for that topic, so you should be doing very well there. Okay, now review the concept. Once whatever we have covered, you should review the concept that is being covered. Focus on what we are saying. So what we are, because see, like in the classes, I will not cover the entire thing. Okay, I will cover those are the things which are very important from the examination perspective, which will be which 95% is the chances that they should be part of the examination. 5% chances which are like slightly difficult topic, we we will not be covering. Okay, so like for example, if you see, like there are topics wherein they get into details about the Monte Carlo simulation. Okay, like how it is being done. Okay, we will not cover that. We'll not go into detail, because they will not ask you that type of question. The question that is being asked is plain straightforward to have an understanding of this. Okay, okay. So this is the thing. Now what you have to do is like get your doubts covered in the class, work in a team to understand the difficult and tricky area. Okay, solve the examination questions. Okay, so we will be giving you the set of the previous questions that have covered. You should solve those questions, fully understand the concepts and their application, because please note that you have to solve the problems. Okay, so you need to have an understanding of the application. Without solving the question, I'm very sorry, but it will be very difficult to pass the examination. There are like some geniuses who pass the examination without solving the questions, but for normal people I will say that solving problems is very important. Okay, now practice makes a man perfect. What we say is like complete the homework assignments given by us, complete the mock test which are being conducted, take the offline test, and take the GAF sample examination. You evaluate. So what I will say is study, okay, evaluate. This is what, because if you study, I will sorry, like if you study, you do not know what you have studied. If you study, you do not know whether you have studied correctly or not. Okay, but if you evaluate yourself and see that you have not done proper study, then you go again and study, and then again come and evaluate. You cannot, you do not know if you have done well without evaluation. So that is what I will say, that evaluation is very important. Any question till over here? Okay, so this guys, this is all I had about the FRM program, and if you have any question about this, you are free to reach us on this email ID, on this number, or anything. Like you have my personal number, you can call me. Okay, any question you can ask now or later. Okay, okay. Okay, Mr. Ranjit, I will send you this PPT and I will also send you the GARP aim statement for 2011. 2012 it is still not out. I will send you the 2011. There is no change in the syllabus from last year to this year. So you can be happy that whatever the course material I have taught for the last year in May and November, same way I will be doing that. Okay. Thanks for attending this session. It was my pleasure to give you some understanding of this. Thank you. So I will exit this session. Okay. Thanks for attending. Thanks for your time.